Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a really delicious tofu dish with you. After buying the tofu, cut it into small cubes about 2 centimeters on each side. This size is perfect, it won't fall apart easily when you pick it up with chopsticks, and it absorbs flavors well. Don't put it in the pan right away. Prepare a bowl of water, add a little salt and stir it well, then soak the tofu in it for a while. This removes the raw taste of the tofu itself and makes it firmer, so it won't fall apart easily during cooking later. For the seasonings, use everyday ingredients, chop garlic into minced pieces, slice some ginger into thin strips, and if you like spice, add a little chili, not too much, just for flavor. Also prepare some green onions, separate the white and green parts and chop them, then set aside. These ingredients together create rich layers of aroma. Next, prepare some ground meat. Choose lean pork or beef, either works. Chop it by hand or use a food processor. The finer the better, as it will be more fragrant when fried. Then, make the sauce in advance. In a bowl, add a little salt and sugar, not too much sugar, just to soften the flavor, some light soy sauce, ground pepper, and oyster sauce. Finally, add a small spoonful of cornstarch, pour in a bowl of water, and stir everything until well mixed. This sauce is very versatile. You can use it not only for this dish, but also for stir-frying vegetables or stewing meat. Heat the pan, add a little oil, and put in the ground meat first. Stir fry over medium heat until the moisture evaporates. When the meat changes color and starts to smell fragrant, add the ginger, garlic, and chili. Turn the heat up a bit and stir fry quickly to release the aromas. Keep stirring, then take the soaked tofu out, drain the water, and gently add it to the pan. Flip carefully so the tofu gets coated with the meat and oil. Add a bowl of water, cover the pan, and let it simmer for a few minutes so the tofu can slowly absorb the broth. When the time is up, uncover the pan and pour in the prepared sauce. Turn the heat to high to thicken the sauce. Be gentle when stirring to avoid breaking the tofu. Once the sauce starts to thicken, you can add a little more cornstarch mixed with water to make it cling better to the tofu. This also makes it look more appetizing. Finally, add the green onion parts, stir for about 10 to 20 seconds, and turn off the heat. Don't cook them too long, so the flavor stays fresh. This dish is perfect for everyday meals. It goes great with rice or even tucked into flatbread. The tofu is soft and tender, the ground meat is savory and fragrant, and the sauce makes everything taste delicious. When cooking for a family, one big pot is quick and easy, and everyone enjoys it comfortably. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to support me.